Okay, and today this is the final class for the simple interest. Okay, and today's class goes like this. Okay, in this first slide you can check there. Now look here, it goes like this. Simple interest, as high you can add, as shortly you can add I only also. And here in this class we will learn to find the principal when amount, time and rate is given. Amount, time and rate is given. Okay, Lakshay?
Yes, sir.
And here another one also may be there. Okay, another also there is question. When interest, time and rate also given, then how to find out principal? That is the sum. Okay, and here these two formula will be
Okay,
used
sir.
especially in this topic. And now and next one, look here. Last one there isn't note amount. This is the amount topic on where amount, time and rate one. Amount is the total sum of the principal and the interest together. Okay, the total sum of the principal and the interest together is known as the amount. Okay, and it is okay denoted by A. And now next slide, look there. In the next slide, see there, sum of the money doubles itself in 8 years. What is the rate of interest? Sum of money is not given, yeah, and it is just telling that that will be double. That's why sum of the money should be suppose x, principal suppose x, then if it is doubling, okay, there if it doubles, then double one is the amount. Okay, double one is the amount. Time is given the 8 years. What is the rate of interest? Can you tell? Can you speak once there? Sum means what here?
Principal.
Yeah. If principal doubles, that whatever is double, no, that money will be what? Under which topic?
Amount.
Very good. Whatever is double, no, that will come under the topic amount. Understood? That is the main
Okay,
thing to
sir.
understand here. And now look here. Interest. We know if there is given amount and principal, we suppose just here we have to find interest. Interest equals a minus p. 2x minus x, it will come x only, right? And here, look here, rate of interest is asking us to find rate of interest equals to I into 100 by p into t. This has gone little bit right side, okay? It must be below this one, this I into 100 by p into t, okay? It has
Sir, okay,
moved,
no problem.
it has moved little bit right side. It must be below this line only. And when you put the values there, then what will be the x will be cancelled. 100 divided by 8, what will come? 12.5% per annum. Okay, and this is the word problem. Please don't forget to write the answer. Okay, don't forget to write its conclusion in word. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Now look here. Similar question there. In this question, can you tell what is given their principal?
3/4 of it.
3 by 4 of its amount. That means
Oh, yes.
amount. Amount should be suppose x. Amount should be suppose x, and principal will be 3 by 4 of x. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and rate of interest is given there 25 by 3. Okay, Laksha.
Yes, sir.
Now look here. Look, first of all, suppose amount be x. Okay, let amount be x here. Principal will be what is there given? 3x by 4. 3 by 4x, that is, and the interest equals to, amount minus principal, subtract them. X is amount minus 3x by 4 is principal. When you subtract them, you will get here x by 4. X by 4 is the interest. Okay. Now, after finding that there is given rate of interest, it may be given 8 whole number 1 by 3 also, percentage per annum. Then if you convert that in mixed, this improper one, 25 by 3 will come. Then it is asked us to find time. How to find time? Time is, we know, time equals to I into 100 by P into R, principal into rate. Then put the values there. X cancel, 4 also cancel, this 3 and this down, 25 by 3, this also cancel. Then what is left there? 100 by
25.
5. Good. Then when you divide 100 by 25, what will come?
4.
4 years. That's why our required time is there.
4.
Required time is 4 years. Okay,
Sir,
so
how
then,
came there x by 4 in interest?
okay,
Sir,
here
in
is
that.
second line you can see there. Second line. Interest equals to A minus P, no? Then when you subtract principal is 3x by 4 from x, by taking LCM, if you take 4 1 the 4, 4, here will be no 1 below x1, that will be 4x minus 3x by 4 means x by 4. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain this number again?
Look, here amount, suppose x, then principal is clearly given in question. Sum will be 3 by 4 of its amount. 3 by 4 into x, okay?
Yes.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then if there is amount and principal given, then we can find out interest. Interest equals to A minus P. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now look at next question. Can you read this?
A sum of rupees 4,400 amount to rupees 5,060 in 3 years. Find the sum which will amount to rupees 6,000 in 4 years at the same rate of interest.
Okay. There are two parts of the question, right? From the first part, there is given principal and principal and amount is given. What is given there? Principal
And amount.
amount given, and there is given time also. With the help of principal and this amount, we can find out interest, and time is given there. We can find out the rate, and that rate will be used in second case. Second case, there is given amount, time given, and the rate will be used from first question. Okay, children?
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Then we have to solve like this. First case we have to do interest. There is given interest equals to A minus P. It is coming 660. If you calculate this, then you will get the value 15% per annum.
50%.
Okay, and now this will be used in second question, second case. What is second case amount? Amount is 6,000, time is 4 years, and principal is asking to find, right? Principal is asking
Yes,
to
sir.
find or not? Then principal equals A into 100 by 100 plus T into R. 15 4 are 60. Then 60 will add with 100. Then it will come. How much there? 1, 10, 100, 10,000, 10,000 lakh. 6 lakh divided by 160. It will come 3,700.
50.
Are you clear about this question?
Yes, sir. Clear.
There are how many parts of the question?
2 parts.
Yes. From first part we found
Rate of
rate
interest.
of interest, and that rate of interest will be used in second part. Are you clear, children?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Good. Now I am moving to the next question. Please, one student read it.
If sum of rupees 2,525 amounts to rupees 3,333 in 4 years, in how many years will the sum of rupees 5,050 amount to rupees 6,868 at the same rate of interest?
Good. Thank you very much. Now in this question there are also two parts. From first part, we will find out rate of interest. There is given principal and amount and time. Then we can find out rate of interest, and that rate of interest will be used in
Second
second
case.
part. Okay, Shashwat? Okay, now we have to do this question like this. First case, principal given, amount given, time given. Now we have to find out rate of interest. Then we know interest equals a minus p, subtract them, then it will come 808. Then put the value in formula r equals to I into 100 by p into t1. Then you will get the rate of interest how much? 8% per annum.
8% per annum.
Okay, and this rate of interest will be used in,
Second case.
Second case.
yeah, this rate of interest will be used in second case. What is the second case there?
The second case is principal given.
Yes, like this you have to do. Principal given, amount given, rate of interest just now we found, and interest equals to, we know, a minus p, it will come 1818. Then put them in formula. It is asking us to find what? Time. It is asking to find time or not? Time
Yes,
equals I
sir.
into 100 by p into r. Then put the values. You are allowed to use calculator. You can cancel also up and down. Then you will get 4.5 years. 4.5 years means we can write in word 4 years 6 months
4 years,
also.
6 months.
4.5 years also will be correct, and 4 years 6 months also, because 0.5 means half year. Half year means
6 months.
6 months. Are you clear, children, about this question?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir, can you wait? I am copying this.
Okay, I am waiting for 1 minute. Okay, or you can do
Okay,
the
sir.
screenshot. You can take a screenshot also.
Yes, you can take a screenshot.
Okay, sir, done.
Okay, now I am moving to the next slide. Till now you are clear, yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear.
Okay. Now here in this slide, the class work is given. Everybody do it. Now, I am waiting for your response, and I am waiting for your answers, okay? Do them now. Okay, Celine?
Sir,
Okay.
answer is 8% per annum.
You
Yes,
have,
sir. Answer is 8% per annum.
you have already found.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, answer is 8%. Yes.
Okay, have you done like this? Check now. Principal suppose x, amount will be treble. Treble means what? 3x. Then interest equals to a minus p, it will be 2x. Time equals to what is given there? 25 years.
25
Then
years.
if you put the values like this, then cancel x, okay, and it will come 25 for the 4 into 2, what will be? Have you found like this?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Your
Yes,
answer,
sir.
your answer is matching with the solution that I have shown just now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everybody's answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good,
sir.
good, very good.
Sir, second one answer is 1,17,300.
You have already done that, Nani.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have done, let's take it. We have to write there principal and time, and then next one is rate of interest. Is that? And remember
Yes,
that.
sir.
Remember that. Look, I want to show you this question. Number 2. Whatever we deposit in bank or whatever we, you know, uh, keep in any financial institution, our deposited money, we should not take, we should not give, or we should not, pay the tax of our deposited money. Okay, you have to keep in mind that always. We should not pay the tax of our deposited money. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
We have to pay the tax of, we have to pay the tax of interest only. Whatever interest comes, suppose if you have deposited money in your bank, and that deposit money, we shouldn't pay any tax of that deposit money. But when bank provides us interest, no, whatever interest we get from the bank, from that interest we have to pay tax to the government. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is shown in this question. That is shown in this question. Whatever tax will be paid, the tax will be paid off only. Tax will be paid off only interest.
Sum of interest.
Yeah, sum of interest. We have to pay the tax of sum of interest. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And here, and here, look, I am going to show the solution of this second one, classwork. First of all, we will find out, first of all interest. Okay? Interest we'll find like this. You know that how to find interest. Interest equals P into T into R upon 100. Then you'll get 34,000, right? And from that 34,000 we have to find out tax. Tax is found 5% of that interest. Then you'll get 1,700. That much money you have to pay to the government as a tax. Then what will be remaining there till how much money is received? Okay, he receives 85,000 was deposited, and 34,000 was the what? Interest. And how much is paid tax? 1,700. Then how much money is received by the, okay, who was the depositor in this question? Who was depositor? That person will get 11,700. Sorry, 1 tens 100,000 lakh 10 lakh 1,17,300. Okay, children. How
Yes,
much
sir.
is this? How
Yes,
much is
sir.
received? 1,17,300.
300.
is received by the depositor. Who is depositing the money? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Do you have any confusion here?
No,
No,
sir.
Sir.
Okay. Now I am moving to the next one. These are the questions that related one. This
Sir,
tax,
number one answer will come 8,910.
yes. How fast you have done? I am just showing now.
Weight of tax.
sir, but I got different answer.
Yes, sir. I also got different answer.
I got 48,640.
Let's find out everybody now.
10 rupees, 20 rupees, 4,800.
What is its answer? Okay, I am checking answers also from here. Your answer is correct or not? I am checking. Please calculate it. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Let's find out again. $48,910. Whose answer came?
48,640.
48,910. Whose answer comes? 48,910. That is correct. 48,910. And these two numbers we can find out. There are
So
two
number two,
cases.
what we have to find?
From first question, from first part, there are two parts, okay?
Okay, sir.
From first part, you find out rate of interest. From
Yes,
first
sir.
part, find out rate of interest. And
And
that rate,
second case, principal.
from second case, you have to find out
Principal.
principal, okay? By using that same rate of interest in second case, okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, class book also we have to send you.
Better to send the assignment.
Okay, sir.
I hope these two questions you can do easily.
Yes,
Just,
sir.
I know that you are feeling difficult in when you change this years and month into years. It's very easy. You can write in place of 3 years, 6 months. You can directly write converting that one. It will come 3.5 years. Or you can convert into fraction also. Okay.
Sir, we can write 3.5 years also. Yes, sir. That
Yeah.
there
Why not? Why
instead
not?
of
You can
3
write
years.
3 years, 6 months. You can have 3.5 years also. And you can convert this 4 years and 3 months. 3 months means
Into
what? 1. 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 1.
1.5.
It will come 0. What will be here?
4.1.
3 months means what? 3 divided by 12. No, here.
Yes, sir.
3 divided by 12 is 3 1 3 3 4. Then what will be? 1 by 4. Then what will be here? 4 whole number 1 by 4. Right?
Sir, principal will come of number 10,996.01. 10,996.01.
It is coming in decimal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will check and give the responses. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And today's
Sir,
response.
what is the answer of number one?
Okay, number one answer I told you.
910.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
How much you told?
8,910. I also get
48.
got 8,000.
48,000. 48,910.
Yes.
Sir, can you tell how?
Sir, I got different answer.
Sir, I
Sir,
also got an answer.
And at the top only there is 40,000 is principal there. Look.
40,000 into 3 into 8 divide by 100. It will come 9,000, 96,000 divided by 10. It will be 99,600.
Okay, we have to divide. That is the interest only. Then we can find out tax. Tax also we have to find out. Tax is what there?
10% of
8.25% of
yes, sir.
8.25
And
8.25% of what? That interest. You can find out tax. And subtract that tax from by adding this word. Principal add with interest, then subtract tax. Okay, children?
Okay,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Then you will get the correct value, correct answer.
Yes, sir. 8,000 इनके आंसर
Yes.
48,910.
48,910. Yes.
Oh, yes, sir. Adding last principal again. Yes, sir. Done.
You got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one also you solve and send me, okay?
Sir, done. Next one also.
Good. Thank you very much. Stay safe, healthy and
Bye bye,
happy.
sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, children. Bye bye.